Welcome to Innovations in Health. I'm John DeShula with Dr. David Ney from Ney Dentistry, 4938 Highway 49 South in Harrisburg, North Carolina, with the mini dental implant. Dr. Ney, this is going to change your life. Show us why.
It's going to change your life. For the patient that has a full palate upper, we can take that palate out where you can enjoy your food again, where you can experience the actual palate, the actual feeling of actual having teeth again. Placing in these upper mini implants, taking the palate out, putting the upper denture back in.
Snaps right into place. So imagine everybody enjoying the foods you love, biting into an ear of corn, a steak, and barbecue that we love here in North Carolina. What's the next example?
The most challenging denture that's in dentistry today is that lower denture that floats around, called a floating denture. We get it to unfloat by putting 4 mini implants in. We get this lower denture in, it doesn't move around anymore.
Imagine that. So you know how it floats and you're very self-conscious about it? Not the case. That titanium post keeps the mini dental implant right in place. You have your self-confidence back. Another example.
For the individual who wants no plastic in their mouth whatsoever, we got the full zirconium roundhouse bridge, if you will. We place as many implants as we need to. This guy sits right up here. We either cement it in fixed so it doesn't come out, or it comes out when you come and see us for your cleanings.
So it's just like a brand new set of teeth.
Brand new set of teeth.
And if you have a single tooth or some teeth in the back, the mini dental implant can help.
And the most versatile thing about the mini dental implant is that if you have a space either in your front tooth or your back teeth, we can fill that space by placing the mini dental implant, placing that tooth in the front, if you will, or in the back, if you will. Either way, we can get it done.
So if you need to get a mini dental implant, Dr. David Ney is who you want to see. Remember, they're 5 times less invasive, less pain and discomfort, less healing time, less visits to the dentist, less expensive. The mini dental implant made in America. You can see Dr. David Ney at 4938 Highway 49 South in Harrisburg, North Carolina. The phone number, 704-742-2400. And online at neydentistry.com.